Hello and welcome to CaptainVerify.com. Captain Verify is the best solution to check the validity of your emails very easily. Say goodbye to low-quality emails, duplicates, hard bounce, and other spam traps. Avoid losing conversions while keeping your invalid emails. Captain Verify allows you to optimize your marketing campaigns and boost your return of investment. How to register on our service? At the top right of the site, you will see a green button, Create an account. Click on it and it will open the registration page. We need your name, email, phone, and a password. If you wish to receive our monthly newsletter, check the box. If you want to receive ad hoc promotions, check the box. Click on the Create an account. Go to your email. Open the activation email and click Activate my account. You will be redirected to our site. At the top right, you will see the login button. Click on it and it will open the login page. You can enter your email and password and click Connect. You are now on your dashboard. If you have registered with a free email address of type Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, we will ask you for additional information about your activity. In the next video, we will see how to import a file to make a verification. Thank you and have a good day.